Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Thursday, June 11th. Seeing much more clouds out there this morning as we have a very moist southerly flow across the region with some mild temperatures down into the low 70s this morning. We're going to be seeing some chances for showers and thunderstorms this afternoon as a front moves across the region. It does look like it's going to be after about 2 p.m. when we can start seeing chances and then becoming likely around sunset. Take a quick look at our satellite this morning. There you can see that front starting to take shape with the abundant cloud cover ahead of it. We are seeing some low clouds around 1,500 to 2,000 feet across the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. This front is going to slowly move eastward, and if we get these clouds clearing, which they are starting to a little bit, that's going to just boost up our instability across the region, giving us even better chances of thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. It does look pretty likely we'll be seeing some showers and thunderstorms, which should continue into the overnight hours as well. Take a look at our surface analysis from 9Z this morning. There's that front that's going to continue to move eastward. We are going to see this shortwave ahead of the front. That should spark off the first round of showers and storms, and then this front lingering just behind it will continue our shower chances throughout much of the overnight hours, as well as continuing a slight chance of a thunderstorm as well. So as this dry period we've been in is going to end today, as we are expecting some showers and storms, could be seeing some briefly heavy rain as well as we go into this evening. As of 8 a.m., seeing scattered cloud at 1800, broken at 15,000, broken at 25,000. Winds are from the south or south-southwest around azimuth 190, 13 knots. Temperature of 72 degrees, and it is rather moist out there with a relative humidity of 88%. Take a look at our terminal forecast for today. Going to be seeing temperatures only get up to around 79 along the coast due to that more southerly component of the wind, but as well as that abundant cloud cover we're going to continue to see. Could see those temperatures bump into the 80s across more interior portions of the Delmarva. We are going to be seeing those showers and thunderstorm chances start as early as about 2 p.m. Only going to be a slight chance until about 4 p.m. And then once we get closer to sunset after 4 p.m., we'll start to see those shower chances ramping up, becoming likely after 6 p.m. and continuing on through at least midnight. And then after midnight, we could still be seeing some lingering showers. Looks like thunderstorm chances will be much less, though, after midnight. So just carrying some shower chances through about 4 or 5 in the morning. Can't rule out a slight chance of a thunderstorm, though, between midnight and 4 a.m., but it doesn't look too likely. Our best chances for some widespread lightning will be as we go near sunset tonight. Could also see an isolated wind gust that's a little higher due to those storms as well. Taking a look at our winds, we're going to be looking at south-southwesterly winds between 15 to 20 knots, gusting to 25 knots this afternoon. Like I said, could see a higher wind gust very briefly when those thunderstorms arrive. Then as we go into tonight, once those thunderstorms pass, our winds are going to really lighten up, becoming southwesterly at 7 to 12 knots, variable around 3 to 8 knots, and then shifting more north-northwesterly at 6 to 11 knots by mid-morning Friday. We are expecting another mild low tomorrow morning of 69 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to continue to see scattered clouds near 2,000 feet, and then some scattered to broken mid-level and upper-level clouds as well this morning. This afternoon, we'll see those ceilings drop down to 1,500 feet. By the mid-afternoon hours, overcast near 5,000 feet by 4 p.m. when we start to see those showers and storms. Could be seeing those ceilings as low as 500 feet or perhaps a little bit below there as we go later into tonight after that front passes and we get those winds lightening up a bit. That could give us a brief period of some ceilings below 500 feet. Then by mid-morning tomorrow, seeing broken cloud deck at 4,000 feet, broken at 10,000, broken at 25,000. We are seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Take a quick look at our short-term weather model to show you how these storms are going to move across the area. This is 10 a.m. this morning. We'll start to see some showers and storms pop off as we get towards lunchtime. This is 1 p.m. This model is showing a little bit of some light showers ahead of the main line, but that's pretty uncertain about that. But our best chances of storms will be later in the afternoon once we get towards about 4 p.m. as we start to see this line move over the area and see some storms pop up just ahead of that line, and then that main line will hit us at about 8 p.m. or so, and then persisting through about midnight. And then we'll see showers continue throughout uh, the overnight hours. This is midnight right here, and that should be continuing to see thunderstorm chances and then transitioning to just showers after that. So for tomorrow, though, we're going to be seeing those rain showers end. Going to be mostly cloudy early, becoming partly cloudy late, high of 81. Friday night's going to be partly cloudy and pleasant with a low of 65. And Saturday's looking like a pretty nice day, partly to mostly cloudy. Could see a very slight chance of a pop-up shower as that front might still be close enough to the coast to provide a focus for a shower. Not only looking right now below 15% chance and expecting a high of 77. That will do it for your daily operations weather briefing. Have a great day.